considered subscribing to my YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when I post new content. Don't forget also do well to comment, like and share my video. Without wasting much of our time, let's start with today's tutorial.
Hello creatives, welcome back to my channel. So you can see on the thumbnail, general introduction to Pixellab. So in today's video I'll be talking about the general introduction to Pixellab part 2. So I did a part 1 of this video, and the part 1 was all about the text tool. This is a text tool. So in today's video I will be talking about the object tool. This one here, this is the object tool. So without wasting much of our time, let's go. Okay, so I'll click on the object tool. Okay, so first of all, let me open a new canvas like that. Okay, let's go now to the object tool. This here. So when you click on it like that, these are the options. You will see. These are the options. Okay, here the first tool here is called the sticker. So if you click on it like that, okay, you see a shadow. Now when you click on this check mark, the shadow will disappear. So what you do is that after clicking on the shadow, you just click on your empty workspace like that. So this is the shadow here. This is the shadow. It's called a sticker, but you can use it as shadow. This is a shadow. Again, if you click on your sticker, and this is a sticker here, when you take this check mark, it will disappear. So for you to make it not to disappear, you just click on your empty workspace like that. Are you seeing? Okay. So aside from sticker, you have other stuffs here depending on the version of Pixellab that you are using. You see? Okay, you can use this is a brush, a grunge. This is a grunge. Okay, so depending on the version of Pixellab you are using, you see there are beautiful stuffs here under your stickers. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you can use most of these stickers to beautify your designs. Okay, are you seeing? Okay, there are many stuff inside these stickers. Okay, so you can use them to beautify your designs. Good. Okay, so under your sticker you have emojis. These are different emojis depending on the version of Pixellab you are using. So you can use all this stuff to beautify your design when you are designing. Okay, are you seeing them? Good. Okay, so that's that for stickers. Now if you want to import, let me say you want to import something, you click here, you see import. So when you click on import will take you to your gallery. So let me say I want to import I want to import something like this. I want to import this flyer. Okay, are you seeing? So that's import for you. So you can import whatsoever you want to import. You can import inside your workspace. You just click on import and you import your stuff. Okay, now if you click on import, okay, let me show you something. Okay, so let's say you want to import something like this. Okay, so you want to import something like this. Let me say you want just this part, that is, you can just adjust it here like that. you want only this part. Yes, after adjusting it, you just click on your check mark like that. Perfect. Okay, so that's that for import. Now you want to draw, this is a draw tool, you want to draw something. Okay, so you just click on it like that. You increase your pen size. Okay, let me choose a color. You can choose a color here. Good. Now see something. Are you seeing? First of all, let me change my background for visibility. Okay, okay, perfect. Now let me go back to my draw tool. So we're talking about draw. Okay, now let me change my color to white. Now are you seeing? If I increase my pen size, are you seeing? If I increase it again, are you seeing? Perfect. Okay, now this is called smoothness. Now if I do it like this, that is take it to 0, like 0%. You see how the edges are, the corner. So if I want to like smoothen it enough, I just take it like that. Okay, you see this one is more smoother than this. That's because I've increased my smoothness. Okay, now you want to draw something, okay, let me first of all let me delete this stuff. Now go back to pick my white color back. Perfect. Okay, now see something. If I do it like this, you see this place is empty. Now if I want to draw and I want that this place should be filled, I just come to my fill inside. Okay, see something. Perfect. That's fill inside. Okay, now if I don't want the fill inside, I want to give a dash line. I want to draw a dash line, I'll just click on my enable my dash line. Are you seeing? Perfect. Okay, now if I want but a neon effect like this, are you seeing how this is the, if you look carefully, you see the neon effect. Perfect. Now if I want a blur radius, okay, so something, are you seeing? That's blur radius. Perfect. So that's that for. You can change your color. Let me say I want to change my color before drawing. I will see something. Okay, that's because my blur radius is on. Okay, are you seeing? So that's that for that. After doing it, you just click on a check mark to accept what you have done. Perfect. Okay, after the draw tool, the next tool here is called the shape tool. Now if you want to draw, like if you want shapes, okay, maybe you want to insert a shape, so you just come to your shape. Okay, you see square is default, where you just click on that shape. Square is default, like this is a square, which is a default shape. Now you want to go to, let me see, you want to go to circle, you just click on this drop down like that. Okay, this is a circle, half circle, and these are different shapes. Now Pixellab has a limitation, that is there are so many shapes out there which are not found in Pixellab. So I have a video on how to create different shapes using your Pixellab application. Okay, so that's that for shape. Now if I want to like convert this square to circle, I can just increase my radius like that. Okay, if I want to reduce the opacity, the fill opacity, okay, I'll just take it like that. Perfect. Now if I want to change the color, let me increase my opacity. If I want to change the color, just come to I can add a gradient, I can add a solid color. Perfect. Now to reduce the opacity, that's it. Okay, I want a stroke. Are you seeing? I can change my stroke color. Let me give it a stroke color of white. Perfect. Okay, good. So that's that for shape. Now under Bezier, I did a tutorial about Bezier, so I will not talk about Bezier. Okay, this one here is to create Like if you want to create an arrow, okay, you can reduce your fill arrow opacity. You can change a color. You can add a stroke of your arrow. You can reduce the opacity of your stroke. Perfect. So that's that for stroke. Okay, that's that for stroke. So that's that for stroke. Now let's work more on the shape, like this shape tool. Let's talk more about the shape tool. Okay, so now let's say you have a shape like this. Okay, now if you click on your empty workspace, you will not see send to back, okay, see something, you see all the send to back, the send to front options have disappeared. So if you click on the shape, you see delete the shape. You want to bring it back, you just click on your undo. So after that, if you want to crop this particular shape, you can just go to your crop tool. You can crop your shape like that. You can crop your shape. Perfect. Okay, so you can copy a shape, like you can duplicate a shape many times with the copy tool. Perfect. Okay, now let me delete this. Okay, let's say I have a shape like this. Okay, let me change the color first. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let me go back to the shape tool now. Okay, now if you want to send to back, like send to back, you just click on send to back. You see the white is behind this particular red shape. Okay, so if you want to bring to front, you just click on to front. Okay, perfect. So if you want to position your shape, like you can just drag and hold, you take it where you want to position it. If you don't want to do it that way, you can go to your position. You can increase your move by, let's say move by 20 pixels. You see, sorry, are you seeing? That's it. Good, that's that for position. Now relative position. Okay, I'll just be rushing because I did all this stuff in Pixellab, introduction to Pixellab part 1. Okay, relative position. Let me say I want to position it from left to right. Just click here. I want to position it to the center from bottom to top. This I want to position it here, or just click here. I want to position it to the right, like click there. Okay, there. That's that for relative position. Now relative size. If you don't want to click on the relative size, you can hold your shape here and decrease or increase. Is the same with relative size. Are you seeing? It's the same. Okay, that's that for relative size. Now I want to change the shape color, so I can just change it here. Or you click on the shape, you go to your edit, you can change the color also here. Perfect. Okay, now on the texture, so if I want to like place something inside the shape, like I want an effect, so just click on this texture. Okay, see something. Okay, now let me say I want this flyer to appear inside that particular shape. You see? Okay, good. That's it. Perfect. That's it. So let me say I want a circle. Okay, then I want to put something inside that circle. I just come to my texture, click here. Okay, so let me go to my downloads. Okay, let me go to my Telegram. Okay, let me say I want to put this stuff inside that particular circle. I'll just click like that. Okay, perfect, good. Are you seeing? That's it. Okay, now if I want to like give it a stroke width, okay, that's a stroke. You just edit your circle and go to your stroke. You can change your color. Perfect. If you delete the, okay, that's a stroke. This is the stroke. Perfect. Now if you want to have something like an image inside this circle and you still have a stroke, okay, it's very easy. So it's very easy. Okay, see something. Perfect. Let me change the color to white. Perfect. Okay, let me relative position it. Perfect. Then I click on this. Let me apply a texture here. Let me put something inside this shape. So good. Go to my Telegram because my resources I kept them on Telegram. Okay, sorry, that's photo room. Okay, like that. Let me see. I want to put, let's say, this stuff. Okay, perfect. So if I want to, okay, you just size like that. You relative position it. Are you seeing? So that's a perfect way to use Pixellab, and that is, you apply something to a shape and you give it a like a text, like a stroke. But if you take it like this, are you seeing? So you use two shape, because let me show you something. Okay, so let's say you want to apply a like a stroke on this particular shape. See how, see just something, just watch, see something. Okay, let me increase. Are you seeing? This is not a perfect circle. Are you seeing? See. Are you seeing something? This is not a perfect. This is a bad way to like apply an image inside a circle. Then you give it a stroke. So that's why I created two shape. Like I position this. Then for this I go to texture to put this image here. Then you position it. See something? Okay, you see, that's perfect. You see, that's a perfect circle. Are you seeing? Perfect. Okay, so okay, wait, we were on texture. Now if you like change your color, see something? You see, that image inside the circle will disappear. Okay, so if you have an image inside a particular circle and you want to change the color, and you want to make sure that the image is visible, so you just go back to your edit. Sorry, click on it, go back to your edit. Sorry, click on it, go back to your edit. I don't know what's wrong, maybe my mouse is disturbing. Okay, first of all, let me delete that texture. Okay, something is disturbing. Okay, but what I want to say is that if you want to change the color of this particular circle, where you already have this image inside the circle, you just come to your edit. You can try it for yourself. Please try it for yourself. You come to this edit and you have access to change the color of this particular shape directly. Okay, that's that for that. Now opacity, see something? Are you seeing? So that's that for opacity. That's the function of opacity, to like darken and brighten it. Okay, now color filters. Let me import something and show you how the color filters work. Color filters. let me say I have something like this. Okay, let me say I have something like this and I want to use the color filter. See something. If I increase my hue, see how the color is changing? That's a work of color filter. Like you filter the color. Okay, so that's a work of color filters under hue. Okay, now saturation. If I want a black and white image, I'll just take my saturation to 0. Saturation, you see, that's a black and white photo. So you can play with. This is a contrast. Are you seeing? Okay, brightness. Good. So that's that for color filters. Now stroke is the same stroke. You can apply a stroke to this particular. Are you seeing? You can change your stroke color here. Perfect. So that's that for stroke. Now erase. Like if you want to erase something, it's easy. Like you just click on your erase. Maybe you want to erase something. Okay, so this is to increase my brush size. Are you seeing how the brush is increasing? Okay, yeah, so now I can erase. Are you seeing? Good. I don't want this tutorial to be too long, so you can take your time and erase whatever you want to erase when you are doing your stuff. Perfect. Sorry. Okay, so that's the function of erase. Perfect. So after erasing your stuff, you click on your check mark here. Perfect. Okay, so that's that for erase. Now mask. I told you I will do a particular video on mask because I did already for Bezier. So I will do a particular video on mask. Now erase color. Let me show you something. Okay, so let me say I have a shape. I have, let's say, red. Let me make a duplicate. Then this other shape I have let's say I have this color. Okay, let's say I have these two shapes. Okay, now let me merge. I want to show you how the erase color work. Okay, let me merge the two. Merge. Perfect. Now see something. If I want to erase this color to have this particular shape here, like if I want to have this particular shape, only the red, see something, I'll go to my erase color. So I'll go to my erase color, sorry. I'll go to my erase color, enable it. You see here I can use this to pick the color that I want to erase. So this is a color picker, so you just click on it. I want to delete but this one, so you see please pick a color. So I'll just click on my check mark. You see, that's it. But if I want to erase the red, just go back to erase color, you click enable it, click on your color picker. So I want to erase but that red, so I'll just click. You see, that's all. So that's that. Now you can increase your tolerance, can increase your smoothness depending on what you want. Perfect. So that's that for erase color. Rotate is the same. You just want to rotate something. Okay, 3D rotate when you are creating 3D. Okay, something. Okay, I did all this stuff. If you check introduction to Pixellab part 1, okay, are you seeing? That's how the rotate works. Perfect. Now 3D shape. I will create a tutorial on this because it is complex. Now perspective. Okay, let me show you how you can maximize your perspective. See something, click on your perspective, you enable it like that. If I want, see something, are you seeing? So that's how you can play with your perspective. Perfect. So that's the function of perspective. Okay, shadow. Let me apply shadow here. So shadow, you click on your shadow, enable it. Okay, you can increase your blur radius, you can reduce. Are you seeing how the shadow is showing? So that's the shadow. Now if I want, I can reduce the opacity of the shadow. Okay, let me first of all, okay, let me reduce the opacity of that black. Okay, are you seeing? I just reduce the opacity. I will just increase my blur radius depending on what you want. Okay, that's that for shadow. It is not visible. Let me first of all change the color to see something. Okay, let's go back to the shadow. Sorry, shadow. Are you seeing? So that's the shadow if you want to apply a shadow. Okay, now inner shadow means you want to apply it inside the shape. Okay, see something. Are you seeing? That is, you apply the shadow inside the shape. So that's that for inner shadow. You can, okay, that's that for inner shadow. Okay, now emboss. I already created a tutorial on this, so I will link it in the description. Okay, so that's that for this object tool here. That's it, object tool. So please let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any issue, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now and make sure you watch all my tutorials to the end. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial to this point. Bye bye.